Hello friend, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will learn how to manage network security using firewall in Linux. We will understand what a firewall is, why it is important, and how it control it using simple command. So let's begin. First things will come into the picture, which is what is firewall? First question will be what is the firewall? So a firewall is like a security guard for our Linux system. It control which network traffic is allowed and which is blocked. It protects your system from unauthorized access, hacking, and network attack. Then default default firewall in RHEL in Linux, Red Hat Linux. In RHEL, the default firewall is called FirewallD. Default firewall in RHEL is known as FirewallD, and it uses the zone and service to manage the traffic. Zones and service manage the traffic, and then after it, zone define the trust level of a network connection. Service like SSH, HTTP, and HTTPS are allowed or defined based on these zones. So now we are going to see some basic firewall command. So some basic firewall command, we will see how we have to operate with the help of command. So first command to check firewall status. For checking the firewall status, the command will be systemctl status firewallD. So with the help of this command, we are able to check the status of firewall. Then start and enable the firewall. So the command for starting systemctl start FirewallD. This command help you to start it. Then systemctl enable FirewallD. It will help you to make the enable the firewall. If you want to check what is the default zone, so the command will be firewall -cmd -get -default -zone. So by default, firewall in public zone. We have seen some of the command. First, firewall status, systemctl status firewallD. Second is start and enable, systemctl start firewallD, systemctl enable firewallD. Then, what is the default zone? You have seen. After it, active services. If you want to check, then firewall -cmd list all. So it will show you the active services. So it will show you which service are allowed in your default zone. Second things, how to allow the service. So for allowing the service, you have to add it in firewall. So the command will be look like firewall -cmd -add service, just like HTTP, then -permanent. If it is already added, it will show like that already enabled and successful. In the same way, if you not want to add, then you can go with firewall -cmd, then remove service is equal to HTTP, comma, mint. So it will removed. In the same way, if you want to add any port or you want to allow the port, then the command will look like that. Firewall -cmd -add -port is equal to the port number slash what is the protocol, and then hyphen hyphen permanent. This will be the way to allowing the port. After doing all the things, if you want to make a reload, then you have to run firewall hyphen cmd and then hyphen hyphen reload. If you want to check about all zones, then firewall hyphen cmd hyphen hyphen get hyphen zones. Then firewall hyphen cmd hyphen hyphen get hyphen active zones. So friend, that is the simple explanation of how to manage network security using the firewall. And we have seen that how we are allowing and blocking the services, opening and closing the port. So that's all for today. We will meet again in next video. Thank you.